Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Jira filters for focused sprint reporting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Jira website. Log in to your Jira account. Once logged in, locate the top navigation bar. Click on Issues to expand the drop-down menu. Select Search for Issues from the drop-down. In the search interface, ensure you're using the correct project filters. Refine your search using JQL if necessary. After setting your filters, click the Save As option to save your search. Give your filter a descriptive name. Check the visibility settings to ensure the appropriate team members can see it. Click the Submit button to save the filter. Now, return to your filter list by selecting Manage Filters from the Filters drop-down. Locate your newly created filter in the list. Click on the three dots icon next to the filter to open additional options. Select Export from the options available. Choose your preferred file format for downloading, such as CSV or Excel. The download should start automatically. Once downloaded, open the file in your spreadsheet software of choice. Review the data to ensure it meets your reporting requirements. You can now use this downloaded filter for focused sprint reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.